This lesson is telling the time. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to tell the time using the analog clock and solving time word problems. In the first problem, for example 1, it says, for each clock, write the correct time on the line provided. In letter A, it shows that the hour hand is pointing at 7 and the minute hand is pointing at 10 minutes. So it is 7:10 p.m. In letter B, the hour hand is pointing at 10 and the minute hand is pointing at 30 minutes. So it is 10:30 a.m. In letter C, the hour hand is pointing at 1 and the minute hand is pointing at 30 minutes. So it is 1:30 p.m. And for a recap, our answers are 7:10 p.m., for B, 10:30 a.m., and C, 1:30 p.m. For example 2, it says, for each clock, write the correct time on the line provided. This is where things get trickier. In letter A, it shows that the hour hand is pointing in between 12 and 1. This is actually 12's number room, so it is 12. And the minute hand is pointing at 20 minutes, so it is 12:20 p.m. In letter B, the hour hand is pointing in between 3 and 4, and this is 3's number space, so it is 3. And the minute hand is pointing at 45 minutes, so it is 3:45 a.m. For letter C, the hour hand is pointing in between 10 and 11, so it is 10. And the minute hand is pointing at 10 minutes, so that is 10:10 p.m. And for a recap, our answers are A, 12:20 p.m., B, 3:45 a.m., and C, 10:10 p.m. Let's start with some time word problems. In example 3, a concert started at 8:30 p.m. and ended at 10:15 p.m. How long did the concert last? Counting from the start time 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. is 1 hour, and 9:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. is another hour, but the concert ended 15 minutes earlier than 10:30. So we would subtract 15 minutes from 2 hours, and that would mean the concert lasted for 1 hour and 45 minutes. Another time word problem is in example 4, trains arrive at the subway station every 5 minutes. How many trains would have arrived at the subway station in 30 minutes? So to solve this problem, we would count by 5 to find out how many trains we have to 30. So at 0 minutes, we would have our first train already there. And by 5 minutes, we would have our second train. And by 10 minutes, our third train. In 15 minutes, our fourth train. In 20 minutes, our fifth train. In 25 minutes, our sixth train. And 30 minutes, our seventh train. So 7 trains would have arrived at the subway station in 30 minutes. So in example 5, the clocks are below our images in a mirror. Write the correct time on the lines provided. So in A, we would count counterclockwise. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the hour hand is pointing in the number space of 7. So the hour is 7 and the minute hand is pointing at 10 minutes. So it is 7:10 a.m. In B, we would also count counterclockwise. So 1, 2, 3. The hour hand is pointing in between 2 and 3, and it is in the 2 number space. So the hour is 2, and the minute hand is pointing at 30. So it's 2:30 p.m. And for a recap, our answers are 7:10 a.m. and for B, it is 2:30 p.m. Thank you for watching.